Live, local, now.
Robert Tellis waits to learn his fate. A jury now deliberating on day 11 of his murder trial. Thank you for joining us at 4. I'm Kirsten Joyce.
And I'm Brian Loftus. 8 News Now investigator Vanessa Murphy has been in court every day, is live at the Regional Justice Center. Vanessa now with the very latest.
The jury's upstairs deliberating right now as they decide whether to deliver a guilty verdict for murder. Prosecutors say Robert Tellis was the only one who wanted Jeff Gehrman dead as a result of Gehrman's investigative reporting, which led to Tellis's downfall. Prosecutors also point to an overwhelming amount of evidence like Tellis's DNA under Gehrman's fingernails, videos, photos, clothing found in Tellis's home. The list goes on. They also say Tellis was their best witness, pointing to his body language and his claims of being framed. His defense attorney, Robert Draskevich, in a way distancing himself from Tellis's claims of being framed, but also pointing out police make mistakes.
This is the question that is so destructive to this defense. It's his writing that shines a light on his behavior. He is sought out by the co-conspirators to do this. And he admits, and he admitted on the stand, one of the rare times he admits it, he admitted, yeah, his writing was the difference in the election. That's why I lost. I got that out of him. He was at least willing to concede that. But for Jeff Gehrman, he's still a public administrator. His writing is why the defendant is out of the job. And therefore, under this theory, he's got to be the one who's killed. That's his reward. He's collateral damage.
And you should take into consideration the evidence that they've presented to you. But by the same token, you should take into consideration determining whether or not they have proved their case beyond a reasonable doubt and they have the sole burden for the production of evidence. Ask yourselves what evidence is missing.
We'll go with one of the court officers at that time.
Closing statements finished at 1, the jury then having lunch and beginning to deliberate. Still not many reactions from the jury, but I did see one of them nodding his head as prosecutor Chris Hamner was speaking. We also just saw prosecutors walking upstairs. It appears there is at least one question from the jury right now. We're all standing by to see what the jury decides. Reporting live in downtown Las Vegas, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.